Comprehensive Scan is one of the most detailed and insightful features in your AO Scan program. It pulls together data from your inner voice and vitals scans to give you a full picture of your body's energetic balance. The information it provides is invaluable for understanding how your body is functioning on multiple levels. Let's walk through it. When you open Comprehensive, you'll see 4 options: Inner Voice, Vitals, Combined, and Custom Scan. Inner Voice pulls data from your last Inner Voice scan to highlight which areas need attention in the comprehensive scan. Vitals works the same way, by using your last Vitals scan to focus on frequencies that were out of range. Combined brings together both Inner Voice and Vitals data to give you the most complete and thorough scan possible. Custom Scan lets you select specific areas to scan, making it ideal for targeting concerns without running a full scan. Choose the scan you want to run. The program will automatically focus on the most out-of-range areas from your previous Inner Voice or Vitals scan. You can add or remove areas if you want to dig deeper or focus on more specific issues. Start the scan. This may take a few minutes to complete, depending on what's being analyzed. Once it's finished, optimize your results and check your reports. Your comprehensive report is available in 3 views. The graphic image report gives a visual overview of your body's energetic state, with clickable 3D models for some organs. The table report shows scanned versus optimized values and includes percentages to reflect balance. Lower percentages mean less energetic imbalance. In your reports, look for numbers between 4 and 6, which is the normal range. Lower numbers can point to underperforming or chronic issues. Higher numbers may indicate inflammation or acute stress. Database View offers deeper insights into how the numbers are calculated. This unlocks after completing Phase 3 of Solex University, which is optional and not required to use the core features of the scan. And that's your comprehensive scan. Be sure to email or save your reports so you can track your progress over time.